Every last tip we provide on making money online is top-notch. Struggling to pay for your home mortgage each month? Are you tired of the high cost of fuel for your vehicle and grocery store prices, and now you're wondering what you can do to make ends meet? You're in luck, because this video will give you some great advice about making money online. One convenient way to make money online is to start writing. There are many different sites that will pay you to create content for various people. If you have done well in writing courses before, this could be ideal for you. You can get paid to write blog posts and more. Do you love to write? Are you finding it difficult to locate an outlet for your creativity? Try blogging. It can help you get your thoughts and ideas out, while also earning you a little money. However, to do well, make sure you blog about something you are both interested in and that you know a little about. That will draw others to your work. Once you have followers, you can bring in advertisers or start writing paid reviews. One great way to make money online is to write. If you have the talent and ability to write well with few or no grammatical and spelling errors, many people will want your services. Writing jobs can be anything from rewriting badly written information to writing all new, original information and more. You can also make money by writing your own content for a blog or video directory by making good use of keywords and opening an account with Google AdSense. Start out small when you want to make money online, to minimize potential losses. For example, something that looks promising could turn out to be a bust and you don't want to lose a lot of time or money. Do a single task, write just one video or order only one item until the site you choose proves to be safe and worthy. Figure out how much you are looking to make before you begin. For example, I don't want to work for less than $15 per hour, otherwise spending time with my family or completing chores would be more worthwhile to me. What is your worth? Once you determine it, stick to your guns. Thousands of people across the country are now making online and loving every minute of it. Print this video out and keep it where you can see it and refer to it when necessary. Making money online is not an opportunity that you will want to miss. It's time for you to get started. Affiliate marketing is a sure way to get some extra cash. But there is better than just selling other people's products. You can sell your own products and make affiliates help you to also sell them. How can you achieve this? Pay close attention to the opportunity I will introduce to you. I will show you a site where you can download more than 12,500 digital products. They are all private label products. You can download, edit them, own them, and sell them to keep 100% of the profits. The digital products concerned include marketing software, ebooks, video courses, tutorials, articles, photos, templates, etc. The very good news is that you can start downloading for 100% free. With the free membership, you can download up to 500 products before deciding to upgrade for premium, where you will spend only $67 for a full year membership. Click the link in the description to register and access for free today. As you download the digital products, you can create your own affiliate program and recruit affiliates to sell them for you. In so doing, your profits will skyrocket by more than 1,000% plus. Click the other link in the description to access a platform that will show you how you can create your own affiliate program.